Today we're demonstrating our copper extractor wire stripper. We're feeding pieces in manually just to demonstrate the stripping process. Here we're demonstrating the unit with hooks bent on the wire that you commonly see coming off of receptacles. Our unit accepts 3 gauges of wire, 10, 12, and 14 solid core copper building wire. Here we're demonstrating the speed of our unit. The video is run at 3 times the rate and an RPM of 380. It does 38 feet in 1 minute. Our unit will accept wires as fast as you can feed them in, and on a length as short as 2 inches. Here we're demonstrating a piece of wire that is bent up coming out of the scrap bucket. You can see it self-aligns and self-guides. You can feed wires in with one hand and receive them with the other and strip the insulation. All of our units are CNC milled right here in the United States. The housing and lids of our units are machined from 6061 aluminum.